The 2025 Lincoln Corsair is a refined and stylish luxury compact SUV that combines comfort, advanced technology, and a smooth driving experience. With an elegant design and premium materials, it stands out as a strong contender in the luxury SUV segment. Lincoln has made some notable updates to enhance its appeal, ensuring it remains competitive against rivals in its class. Under the hood, the 2025 Corsair offers a standard turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this engine provides smooth acceleration and a refined ride. For those seeking more power and efficiency, the Grand Touring plug-in hybrid variant features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine combined with an electric motor, offering enhanced fuel economy and the benefit of electric driving. The all-wheel drive system is available, providing improved traction and stability, making it a great choice for various road conditions. The exterior of the Corsair exudes sophistication with its sleek lines and signature Lincoln grille. LED headlamps and taillights enhance its modern appeal, while the carefully sculpted body creates an aerodynamic presence. The available hands-free power liftgate adds convenience, making loading and unloading easier. Various wheel options allow for customization, ensuring that the Corsair matches personal style preferences. Inside, the cabin is designed with comfort and luxury in mind. Premium leather upholstery, genuine wood, and metal accents create a refined atmosphere. The spacious interior provides ample legroom for both front and rear passengers, ensuring a comfortable journey. The available 24-way power-adjustable seats with massage functionality add an extra touch of luxury, making long drives more enjoyable. Technology is a highlight of the 2025 Corsair, featuring a large infotainment touchscreen with the latest version of Lincoln's Sync system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing seamless smartphone integration. The available Revel Premium audio system delivers an immersive listening experience, making every drive more enjoyable. A digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable information, ensuring drivers stay informed without distraction. Lincoln prioritizes safety with an advanced suite of driver assistance features. The standard Copilot 360 system includes blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. The available Active Glide system offers hands-free driving assistance on certain highways, enhancing convenience on long trips. Parking is made easier with a 360-degree camera and automated parking assistance, ensuring effortless maneuvering in tight spaces. Driving the Corsair is a smooth and composed experience. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease. The steering is responsive, providing confidence in various driving conditions. The hybrid variant offers quiet electric driving for a serene experience, while the standard turbocharged engine provides enough power for highway merging and overtaking. The overall ride quality is impressive, making it a great choice for those who value comfort and refinement. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the Corsair. The standard gasoline engine delivers competitive mileage, while the plug-in hybrid variant offers even better fuel savings with the ability to drive on electric power alone for short distances. This makes the Corsair a great option for those looking to reduce their fuel costs while enjoying the benefits of luxury and performance. The 2025 Lincoln Corsair is available in multiple trims, allowing buyers to choose the one that best suits their preferences. From the well-equipped base model to the more luxurious Reserve and Grand Touring trims, each variant offers a unique blend of features. Optional packages add more customization, allowing buyers to enhance technology, comfort, and safety features according to their needs. Lincoln provides a strong warranty package, giving owners peace of mind. The comprehensive coverage includes a competitive basic warranty, a powertrain warranty, and hybrid component coverage for the Grand Touring model. Lincoln's customer service and dealership experience also add to the appeal, ensuring that owners receive premium treatment. The Corsair competes with other luxury compact SUVs such as the BMW X3, Audi Q5, and Mercedes-Benz GLC. While each competitor offers its strengths, the Lincoln Corsair stands out for its focus on comfort, technology, and a smooth driving experience. Its hybrid option also makes it a compelling choice for those looking to balance performance with efficiency. Overall, the 2025 Lincoln Corsair is an excellent choice for those seeking a luxury SUV that prioritizes comfort, advanced technology, and a refined driving experience. With its stylish design, premium interior, and strong safety features, it offers a compelling package in the competitive luxury SUV market. This review is brought to you by Car Insights, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, latest updates, and expert insights. If you love cars and want to stay updated on the latest models, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.